Hey everybody, and welcome to this video. We're going to be taking a look at the TWS i12 AirPods. These ones arrived today, and these come in a white finish. Let's take a look inside, see what you get. Okay, inside, nice foam insert, keeping everything nice and secure. Let's package them with the AirPods in. Let's see what else we get. We got the usual instructions, Chinese and English. Inside USB with lightning connector. Okay, so let's take a look at these AirPods then. Nice small, very compact charging case. Take a look at the AirPods as well. Automatically turning on as soon as you pick them up, and the sensor, you can't actually see any visible buttons there, but just pressing and holding that area and turn them on. It's touch sensitive around there. As you can see on each version that they do nowadays, they are getting closer and closer to replicating the same look as the Apple AirPods. The sound quality still hasn't quite caught up. Obviously you are getting what you pay for, but they are very, very good. So anyone on a budget, gym goers, runners, anyone who just likes their music, really. I mean, these are perfect. These are retailing around about £30 on sites such as Amazon. Very, very good quality. They are compatible with all Android and Apple devices, working off Bluetooth version 5. And they have a charge time of 30 to 40 minutes, and all you do is you charge the case, put these in the right way around, push them in, you'll see they go red. That means that the pods are now charging. 30 to 40 minutes time, they will be completely charged, and they will offer playback of 2 to 3 hours, standby time of 6 hours on them. Like I say, these are a very good, very good quality, very compact design. I mean, this, it just easily slips into your pocket. When you're ready, charged up, take them out. And there they go, they're ready to pair up. I'll do another video showing you how these pair up, and then we can do some sound tests on it as well. But for me personally, you know, I'm a runner at the moment. These are, I find these very, very good for being out and about. Connect to my phone very simply, and allow me to listen to my music while I'm out and about, trying to get those runs in. Like I say, these are retailing around about £25 to £30 on Amazon. Very good value for money considering the price you would pay for genuine Apple ones. Like I say, the sound quality is not as good as the Apple, but for something at a fraction of the price, I think these are very good, and a lot of people are going to be very happy with this sort of purchase. So there we go. That's a quick unboxing, first look review of these. We'll give them a test, see how long the playbacks actually do last, see what kind of feedback I can get from them, and I'll let you know how they're getting on. So until that time, thanks a lot for watching. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, comment in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.